Horses down, we've got Lord Gold. Best to begin, Danari Insana with Stone Face, Ravishing Rapia. Then followed over by Tidal, Zaran Prince, Reclamadora, Dugos Pet, Thrill of Victory, and Maticas is the early trailer. Stone Face by Oralenka Nehapa. Lord Gold now moving up to take second in the middle alongside third is Tidal. Ravishing Rapis racing in fourth, Reclamadora. Southern Prince comes next, Dugos Pet, Thrill of Victory, and Maticas. They swing into the back. And it's still Stone Face. Lord Gold now moving up in the middle to take the lead. It's now Lord Gold, Tidal is already outside, Stone Face running by Drella, Ravishing Rapis racing in fourth, Reclamador, Southern Prince, Thrill of Victory, Dugos Pet, and Maticas. And it's still Lord Gold, this time by Oralenka. Tidal still in second, and in third is Dugos Pet moving up, Ravishing Rapia. But it's still Lord Gold by about 3 for Oralenka. Tidal is already outside second, and in third is Reclamadora. Lord Gold and Tidal are fighting it out for the leader as they come down at the last 150. Tidal, Lord Gold is running by Drella, but it's still Lord Gold. Tidal is already outside, fighting it out for the leader. Lord Gold, Tidal is already outside. Lord Gold still in front, Tidal already outside. Lord Gold, Tidal, Lord Gold, entering the finish line. Lord Gold, Tidal, but it's still Lord Gold, Tidal. Then comes Reclamador, Southern Prince.
7-2.